Hello, friends. It's Phil, and this is a very quick podcast because I've got to get on the road for a purpose that I will share with you probably tomorrow. But look, yesterday I had the absolute pleasure of announcing the Open event. Now, if you haven't found the All Gardening Cafe on Facebook yet, you are yet to find the simple delight of a community that talk and encourage and embrace and share and support their gardening journey. And let's say they share other things as well. But it's largely framed around a caring community. And the idea of the All Gardening Cafe is kind of it's a place where everyone knows your name. That's the principle behind it. And just for reference, I created this place on Facebook after a conversation with my mother on the day that she passed away. She said to me, build something big and beautiful. So I thought, build all gardening, yes, but build all gardening community around the world because my mum loved traveling and her garden. So as of yesterday, I actually put together this idea, and this event is called the Open event. And I will be hosting a Zoom call or a Zoom screen, an open channel to the world for 12 hours from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. GMT. And just keep in mind the clocks go forward next week on the 21st. So don't get the hours wrong, but I will be hosting an open screen to come and have a chat, to come and say hello, to come and be a friend, to come and discover something new. Look, the most important thing about this is an experiment. This is an experiment about friendship. It's an experiment about connection. It's an experiment about the garden. It's an experiment about the world. It's an experiment about the world because the world has two dominant features. One is the land and the gardens and the place that we live, and the other place is the seas and the oceans and the ice caps kind of thing. So the open event's going to be there. There's no agenda at the moment, but I've got some ideas bubbling along, and maybe throughout the day, some guests will appear. I don't know yet. Maybe you know someone who would like to come on and share something really special to a community. I don't know how many people are going to be there. I don't know who's going to turn up. I don't know if it's going to be 1, 10, or hundreds. I've got absolutely no idea. You might come and you might know a friend and know a friend. You might know someone really influential uh, who has something to contribute to a really influential group of people that are connected to the gardens and connected to our earth and appreciate growth and appreciate looking after things and appreciate time. You may know someone, let's say a celebrity, a well-known figure that has a passion for their garden that would love to come along and chat. You may know a public figure or a person that is involved in gardenings or horticulture or is an arborist or loves trees or what you can do or lighting or planting or flowers or art or anything. But it's there. It's there. I've launched it on Facebook. So far, there's about 50 people, I'd say, that might come. They might come. There might be another 50. There might be 100. There might be more. I've got no idea. But Lord, this isn't about numbers. This is about taking time, 12 hours, to leave a channel open to try and connect the world through the gardeners to a gardener, me. So, Lord, if you're interested in joining the open event, hop over to All Gardening Cafe on Facebook, join the group, and there will be updates and the link in order to find out more about it. But keep in mind, next Saturday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. GMT, a channel will be open to discover new friends, to discover new places, to discover new plants, to discover new conversations, to get ideas, to share stuff. What stuff is yet to be deemed, but the context is simple. The All Gardening Cafe is a place where everyone knows your name. And that's a great, safe place to come for a chat and learn about some new stuff. Anyway, look, hopefully some of you will be there who I know, and some of you will be there that I don't know, and some of you will be there will surprise me. But for now, it's there. It's growing around the world. So look, as a little footnote, and interestingly, I launched that last night, and I got a phone call last night from Australia, of all places, saying my mother, not of all places, strange actually, sorry, because I think there's quite a big community of the All Gardening Cafe in Australia, but someone said, I know someone that lives in Harrogate. My mum lives in Harrogate, and I'd like to buy a gift voucher for my mum. Can you tell me what services you provide? Well, the services I provide are all on my website for people to learn about. But anyway, this isn't about selling. This is all about connection and friendship and learning and gardening and horticultural and the earth and trees and breathing and stuff. So I hope you will be there, my friend. Take care. Catch you soon. Gotta go. Ta-da. Bye. Bye.